Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So there was a sharp fall on gold yesterday. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then I talked about a level 1818 to 1820. Okay, that was the only minor support. Okay, 1818 to 1820 was the only minor support for gold, and I told you that if there is a fall below 1818, you can take a sell if you want. And honestly speaking, I was also not expecting this kind of sudden selling pressure in the market. Okay, but yes, there was a fall in the market, and right now market trading at 1804. Market took support around 1799 level. Market bounced, and this is the current condition of the market. Just look at the heavy selling pressure. So though market is in uptrend, okay, if we just focus on this particular portion of this chart, if you try to just understand the trend of the market here, then yes, market seems to be in uptrend, but sellers are also present in the market and we cannot deny the fact. So this is not a typical uptrend market. There are some sellers present in the market and they are very strong. And this is the chart of DXY. So as we are doing a great job with the DXY because because we were expecting market to reverse from this particular support zone. Yes, it bounced, but honestly speaking, I was also not expecting DXY to be this much bullish yesterday. Okay, and right now you can see that after this huge up move, DXY is under consolidation. DXY is taking rest. So what should be a strategy for gold then? So first of all, I would like to talk about the chart of DXY because understanding the chart of DXY, the movement of US dollar is extremely crucial. Why? See, sideways market, there is no doubt. But what is this? This is extremely bullish. Okay, so right now, taking a sell position or thinking that US dollar will be going down will be a bad step. Okay, will be a bad step because right now you can see after this green candle also, if I zoom in, you can see market is still trying to go up. So market, there is a good possibility of market going up again. Right now DXY trading at 96.23 level. If it goes up from here, at least it will be going or reaching this level of 96.38 level. Hmm. So this looks like a bullish flag pattern on the chart of DXY, and if this is a really a bullish flag pattern on the chart of DXY, then we have one more breakout coming up on the chart of DXY. So be careful. If the breakout comes out on the chart of US dollar, then definitely there will be some fresh selling on gold again. Okay, so this chart is very important. Keep your eyes on the chart of DXY. And on the other hand, if there is a sudden selling pressure on the chart of US dollar, then yes, there will be some buying on gold as well. But right now on the chart of DXY, I do not see any kind of selling pressure right now from the technical point of view. If any news comes out, there is a fall in the market, then that's a different chapter. Okay, and if you come to the chart of gold USD, then to be honest, we do not have any proper support here in the market right now. Okay. The only support that we have is 1790, the strongest support. If you ask me which is the strongest support or which is the best level for beginners, which is the best level for new traders to trade, those who cannot afford to lose any money, okay, for them the only level is 1790. Yes, 1790 is a very old level. Okay, it's a magnet. Okay, it's a magnet for gold. So gold always comes comes to the 1790. But it is always revolving around, lingering around the level of 1790. Whether sometimes 1790 is working as resistance, sometimes it is working as support. It's a hilarious. Anyways, Again, 1790 is the strongest support level for gold. So in case there is a fall in the market, if gold bounces from 1790, that will be the best spot to go for buy. 1790. If gold breaks the level of 1790, then 1786. Okay, don't think that 1790 will be gone. This whole level 1719, 1790, 1786 is a support zone, presence of buyers. Okay, this is a support zone in the market. This is the strongest support in the market right now. Okay, but for scalping purpose, if gold comes down to a level of 1800 to 1799, there is a possibility of market bouncing, but keep in mind that this is not a very strong level. This is a minor support. Similarly, 1796 is another level for gold that is also a minor support. So in case there is a fall in the market, if gold comes down to this 1800 level and bounces, if you want to take a buy, you can take a buy. But again, I'll say this is not the strongest level. Okay, can be quite risky. If you can afford to take risk, you can go for it. Similarly, if it comes to the level of 1796 and bounces, if you want to take a buy, you can buy. But yes, in comparison 1790 level, this 1796 is a risky level. Okay, so always keep in mind. So it's totally your decision. If you can afford to take risk, you can take the risk. Whereas at the top, we do not have any resistance right now. I do not see any proper resistance here. Yes, if gold starts going up, then 1810 may try to act as a minor resistance, but we do not have any proper resistance. The previous resistance of 1815 to 1820 may act as resistance, but are we sure? No, we do not have any clarity about the picture right now. Okay, so let's wait and watch in which direction the gold moves. Whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, my dear friends, because see, market is volatile, and for any bad move, any bad trade, you should not be losing your hard-earned money, your whole capital. Okay, so it's your most important duty to protect your capital. Okay, in case if you feel that you don't know much about the technical analysis and all, then I also have a free course on the YouTube channel only. Okay, there's a playlist. Okay, you can check that course. You will get the basic idea about the technical analysis. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.